Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to share my itinerary plan for next 1 month. So basically I am doing a solo trip and I am traveling all the way from Bangalore to Kodaikanal and back to Bangalore. So this is the route that I'll be following. Starting from Bangalore, I'll go to Madurai, then Rameshwaram, then Kanyakumari, then Thiruvananthapuram, Varkara, Alpuza, Kochi, Kodaikanal, and again back home to Bangalore. This is gonna be a 40 hours journey, 1950 kilometers, but I'm expecting it to be more than 2200 or 2300 kilometers. This is gonna be a first solo trip that I'm doing where I'm traveling via car, and that is gonna be a little challenging for me because driving so long alone can be sometimes boring, so I need to be very careful. But during this time I'll be spending a good time in each and every places. Most places I'm trying to stay mostly in Varkala and Alpuza for a couple of weeks, and let's see how it goes. Mostly I'll be doing workation along with my travel, so there's no leave balance, so I just have to manage my work, my travel. So this is a 1 month itinerary that I have planned, starting from tomorrow till maybe first week of December or second week of December. Let's see when I get back home. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. I'll share my experience and my travel vlogs as well. Thank you so much. Here I am starting my day on my journey for the next 1 month. Let's see how it goes. Starting today at around 7 a.m. now. Probably I'll reach Madurai at around 2:30. Trying to be more early as possible, but let's see how it goes. Thank you so much. So guys, I have left Bangalore. I'm just trying to cross the traffic here. Most probably I'll be out of the city within an hour, maybe less than that, 40-45 minutes. Let's see how far I go, what I do. I'll keep you posted with everything. Thank you guys, stay tuned. Yeah. Hey guys, so finally I have entered the Tamil Nadu border. It was almost a 1 hour of drive. Looking at the map, it's still showing 6 hours. It's gonna take for me to reach to Madurai. Roads are pretty good, but yeah, a little bit of traffic. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna reach there and probably decide my what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. So yeah, keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. So it's already been around going to be 2 hours, 1 hour and 45 minutes approx. Just had my breakfast. It was really amazing. Now I am heading towards my destination. The only challenge in Tamil Nadu is you have to speak Tamil, which I don't know. So it's gonna be a little challenging to communicate with people, but let's see how do I manage. Thank you so much. Keep watching. So guys, I have finally had my lunch now. After having a wonderful lunch, I've got another few kilometers left. Not few, 125. Give me 1 second.
किधर की गाड़ी है?
ये भारत नंबर प्लेट है। भारत नंबर प्लेट।
भारत नंबर प्लेट। तो सामने कौन सा गांव का ये?
गांव तो कोलकाता का है।
कलकत्ता का। खाली नंबर ही है। ये नया देख रहा हूँ ऐसा।
ये BH नंबर प्लेट है। भारत नंबर प्लेट है, सिर्फ मतलब गवर्नमेंट वालों को मिलता है। मतलब ये किधर भी जा सकता है, परमिट नहीं चाहिए।
परमिट वो तो ऑन बोर्ड किधर भी जा सकता है, वो बात नहीं है।
मतलब आपको एक बार में वो टैक्स पे नहीं करना पड़ता है, आप थोड़ा थोड़ा करके 2-2 साल पे आपको टैक्स भरना है।
वैसा क्या, वैसा सिस्टम दिया है।
They just wanted to know how I got my BH number plate. But yeah, anyway, I have got another, I think 107 kilometers left. I'm getting exhausted a little bit. I had 4 breaks till now. So now I'm gonna directly reach the hotel, go freshen up, and probably take some rest. So yeah, for today I think this is what I have. The entire day just went and driving. Tomorrow morning there are a few plans where I'll be visiting temples, but let me reach to the hotel and then I'll talk to you guys. Thank you very much. Hey guys, finally I have reached my destination. I have checked into the hotel. It was almost 10 hours of long drive. It took time because I had taken 4 stops, and on top of that it has been raining crazily last I think 3 hours, yeah, more than 3 hours almost. It's a red alert today, so I am thinking it's still raining, so it's maybe till tomorrow or day after tomorrow it might go. So I'll see what I can do tomorrow. Today I'm very tired. I'm gonna go have some food and probably crash. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and I'll visit the Madurai Amma temple. So probably that will be one of the best experience. Thank you so much. So finally I have reached the temple. I parked my car. Just walking to the temple. It's 100 meters from here. I'll have my darshan there, and hopefully I'll do some shopping as well, and find what I'm going to. Stay tuned. खाली खाली लग रहा है, ज़्यादा भीड़ तो नहीं है, तो मुझे लग रहा है आधे घंटे के अंदर दर्शन हो जाने चाहिए, बट अंदर जाके देखते हैं भीड़ है या नहीं. And here is the temple. Here is the temple. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Crazy. Wow, what architecture is this? This looks so superb. Can you guys see the detailing of it? Oh. Magnificent. Amazing. Meenakshi Amma temple. Meenakshi is also known as Parvati. Her name was also Meenakshi. So she is wife of Shiva. And with Meenakshi, Lord Shiva is also he is placed here in this temple. So without wasting time, I'll go ahead and get my darshan. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, I finally had my darshan. It took around 2 hours. It was a little crowded, even though today is Sunday. And the entry fees is 50 rupees if you want to go for a paid darshan, and there is a free darshan as well. I went for one paid darshan. There was no money in my wallet, so the other one to darshan for Meenakshi Devi, I stand in the normal queue, which took around 2 hours to complete, and finally I came out. Now moving towards my parking. Hopefully there I'll get my car and probably go to a nearby restaurant and eat something, and I'm hungry. Thank you. So guys, finally I am in my parking area, taking my car out. I had a wonderful darshan. There are two temples. One is for Lord Shiva and another one is for Lord Parvati. So I went first for visiting Lord Shiva. There I paid 50 rupees for the special darshan. Spent some time there, did meditation. Also got a chance to get inside the Gopuram, where I had I was able to see the Shivling from very near. The priest was asking me 500 bucks to enter, but I somehow convinced him. He was a very nice guy, so I had like 230 rupees left in my wallet. I just gave him that wallet, and with this he gave me this as well. So after having the darshan there, I went to the main temple, which is the Meenakshi temple. There also it was the same rules, like you have to pay 50 rupees if you want to go for a special darshan. But I did not add a single penny in my wallet. I had only 300 bucks, which I spent at there itself in the first temple. So after that I had to stand in a normal queue, and that took around 1.5-2 hours almost for me to come out. But yeah, it was very peaceful, very blessed. That that temple architecture is wonderful. I mean, I don't know how the people in the ancient time they have created this, what chisel and what hammer they've used to build this temple, but incredible. There's no word to describe it. You can just come here and feel it. Heading back to my hotel. I'm very hungry. I haven't drank water since morning, so the first thing I'm gonna do is eat first. Yeah. So yeah, this is what from Madurai so far. The cameras and the phones were not allowed inside, so I could not get any footages or could not click pictures also. It's very strict here. You cannot carry anything. There's a lot of security checking, so you can only feel it from inside once you enter the temple. Har Har Mahadev. We'll talk again soon.